Hello tech lovers, today's video is on Top 5 Best Drone Under $20. We would like you to know that our channel is not a typical review channel. We don't test these products physically, but through extensive research from web, criticizing reviews, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features or other necessary topics, we've got you covered with a lot of information on this video. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. The very next product we have is GESUNDHOME. The flying spinner is equipped with the latest technology for hovering sensors that is able to detect the distance and height. The built-in gyroscope is able to control the sensitivity and precision to keep it balanced and keep the ball moving in a smooth 360-degree. Press the power button, then hold the center axis in place and spin the wheel to begin, and then give it an oblique turn to begin going. Different throw speeds and angles offer different flight routes as well as tricks and high-speed maneuvers. Stop the drone from flying by grasping the drone in your fingers. The hand-operated drone is constructed from high-end ABS material, which is non-toxic and makes it extremely flexible and possess robust collision resistance. The wheel that is enclosed is aerodynamic and shields your hands when spinning it and doing tricks. The flying ball toy comes with an inbuilt and rechargeable lithium battery, which can be charged via micro USB cable for 15 minutes for about 10 minutes of playtime. LED lights built into the ball glow on the dark sky, enhancing the excitement of night flying and adding excitement to the game of chasing. This drone that is flying is an ideal toy for girls, boys, and children of all ages. It's perfect for levitation fun in any dorm or room and is a great present to adults or children, offering a fun and enjoyable method to let them relax and be entertained. We can finish it up with ROVOPRO Mini. Simple for beginners and kids. This mini drone can perform auto hovering using the altitude hold technology. One key start-stop feature allows you to get it off and land it with ease, and has 3 speed settings between low and high for players of different levels. A lot more fun than other drones. This one is able to perform toss to launch 3D flips and auto rotation. Kids love it. 3 speeds can be changed to suit your pilot's level of flight. Its altitude hold function allows the aircraft to hover at a fixed level without a problem. In headless mode, the ability to change the direction always in relation to the location of the pilot's head, providing a safe and easy fly for children, beginner, novices, and so on. Get it and flip it about 180 degrees to stop it from flying. The propellers are all protected with complete protection guards, which not only safeguard the propeller's wings in the case of a collision, it is also important to shield children from injury from the propeller's impact. Best gift for children. This tiny indoor plane provides endless enjoyment for kids at parties at school, in fishing and hiking, camping, and more. Definitely a great gift for boys, girls, or friends. Furthermore, we have NXONE in our list. With 2 rechargeable batteries on the drone and 3 batteries in the transmitter, the flight time could be extended to extremely long duration. Take pleasure in your flight and don't fret about the battery's life. The altitude hold mode allows drones to be locked into the air for a specific level. Ideal for children and newbies, and easy to control. One key for takeoff, landing, return. It is possible to operate these functions with just one button. Your drone will ascend to a certain height or even land. The drone will stop in an emergency by repeatedly pressing to land. It's much easier for the new pilots to fly confidently. The stunt drone comes with 28 lamp beads that make the drone appear brighter and more stunning. When the drone is in low battery, the LED indicator will gradually flash. In headless mode, you are able to fly anywhere without having to worry about which direction your drone heading. It won't be lost anymore. We can start things off with CHEERSON C-X10. The drone is a 4-channel mini rolling quadcopter that gives you an incredible flight experience. It's very responsive and can do amazing stints due to its 6-axis gyro. In addition, it comes with the ability to allow you to launch the drone up in the air and it will begin flying. This is a fantastic feature that will prevent small incidents from occurring. It is a perfect drone for novices who wish to get started, but also for those who have more experience. It is able to fly upwards to downwards, or in a straight line from left to right. It also has the ability to perform hover and side flight. The drone is capable of doing incredible flips and stints. It's the perfect drone to impress your guests and play around with. In terms of the experience of flying offered by this drone, we've got nothing negative to say. The drone is extremely flexible and can perfectly execute its tasks thanks to the 6-axis motion of its gyro. When compared to other mini drones available on the market, this model is superior as it has a range of control of 40 meters. This is an excellent range for drones of this size. The flight duration is impressive due to the battery's capacity of 100 mAh. The downside is the fact that it can take time to fully charge. In order to ensure adequate charge, it'll take between 30 and 40 minutes. You may also opt for a second battery to enjoy a more extended flight. Up next, we have LOVSKOO in our list. 2.4 GHz technology selected to aid in anti-interference. 4 channels that can ascend down, ascend, forward, reverse, right sideward flow, right sideward fly, and rolling 360-degree. 6-axis gyro, which will allow for more stability and easy to manage. It has 3 levels of flight speed that you can switch to enhance the fun of flying. Drone with high-definition first-person view cameras. Remote controls are extremely simple to use. Simply press one key start landing switch to begin the flight. Altitude holds allows you to keep it at a particular level, making it easy to control and capture HD footage. Features include low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards to ensure safety and allow you to fly for longer. Up, down, forward, backwards, turn right or left, sideward flight. 3 level speed of flight with LED lights, headless mode, and altitude hold mode. Wi-Fi FPV trajectory flight video camera.
If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.